Hello everyone, I'm HTet Htet Wint. I come from Myanmar. I'm currently pursuing a B.Sc in Medical Laboratory Technology at Lovely Professional University in India. I wanted to take a moment to share my journey and why I chose to study here at LPU. Well, when I decided to pursue medicine, India was the obvious choice due to its global reputation for excellence in medicine. However, selecting the right university was crucial to ensure it aligned with my ambitions and provide a strong foundation for my future career. LPU is NAC A++ graded, which speaks volumes about the quality of education here. This convinced me that LPU was the right choice for me. But my journey here is not just about academics. My long-term goal is to open my very own medical laboratory back in Myanmar and eventually expand it globally. It offers so many diverse cuisines from all over the world. As someone who loves food, I appreciate the variety here. Whether it's South Africa, North India, or any international dishes, everything is available. The food is hygienic and delicious. The campus mess and the canteen are top-notch. What sets LPU apart is its holistic approach to student development. Along with academics, it offers plenty of opportunities to explore hobbies and interests. As someone who loves dancing and debating, I can participate in cultural activities and showcase my talents. I highly recommend you to consider LPU. This is the best decision I've ever made, and I believe it will be for you too.